When you're formulating with cocoa, choosing the right powder can completely change your flavor, color, and texture. At Saranda, our cocoa powders are organic, fair trade, non-GMO, and produced in an allergen-free facility, and we offer different fat levels and process methods to fit a wide range of applications. Natural cocoa keeps its naturally slight acidic pH and tends to have a brighter, more reddish-brown color and a sharper, fruitier cocoa note. We offer natural 10 to 12% and natural 20 to 22%, ideal when you want a classic cocoa flavor or you're working with baking soda in cakes and cookies. Alkalized cocoa, also known as Dutch processed, is treated to raise the pH. That means a darker color, smoother flavor, and softer acidity. Our alkalized 10 to 12% and 20 to 22% options are excellent for beverages, syrups, frostings, and brownies where dark, rich chocolate profile is key. Black cocoa is alkalized even further. Our black 10 to 12% gives you that deep, almost jet black color and the iconic sandwich cookie flavor note. Perfect when you're going for dramatic color in cookies, wafers, and sandwich creams. In dry applications like baking mixes, snack seasonings, and instant hot cocoa, fat level and color really drive the experience. Natural cocoas can give you a classic, lighter chocolate look, while alkalized or black cocoas dial up the intensity. In wet systems like ready-to-drink beverages, syrups, sauces, or ice cream bases, mouthfeel and dispersibility matter. Our finer particle alkalized cocoas can typically perform best here, delivering a smoother texture and more stable suspension. To explore samples or talk through your specific application, connect with the Saranda team. We'll help you match the right cocoa powder to your next formulation.